Okay, we have a Milltronics Cnc vertical mill, model RH25, serial number 5972. This machine was new in 1999, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a CENTURION 6 control. You have a large table, 57 by 20, which is T-slotted with a 3,000 pound table capacity. He's running the Z-axis right now, which is 24 inches of Z. You have a 40 taper spindle, Cat 40. Again, that's a 57 by 20 inch table with 50 inches of X travel. You have 30 inches of Y, and that 24 of Z. So 50 by 30 by 24 with a 57 by 20 inch table, 6,000 RPM spindle. Right now we are running the spindle, 3,500 RPM. It's a 15 horsepower spindle. You have boxways on the X, on the Y and the Z, you have dovetail on the X. That's 6,000, that's the max. Big open design, so you can do a large piece on there. Okay. Hey, thank you for watching our video.